In this video, I'll show you how to change your username on the Phantom Wallet app. First, open the Phantom Wallet app. Once you're in, tap on your account icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the arrow next to your account name. From here, you can click the pencil icon to edit your account name, but note, this is just the display name. If you want to change your Phantom username, the one that appears at the top left, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. At the top of the settings menu, you'll see your username, tap on it. You will now be able to edit your username. However, if you've already changed it within the last 30 days, the option will be locked until the cooldown period ends. If not, you can update it right away by selecting the field and entering a new username. And that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Phantom Wallet tips. See you in the next one.